Of course, you can find around you some weird stuff and strange things. It could be a website, toy, product, video, prank, and so forth. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you some of the weirdest digital products you can find on different platforms to get inspired with in a positive way. So now let's get started. And the first product here in our today's list, that is weirdest stickers. And for sure here on its.com you can find tons of these amazing strange stickers. It could be a bundle of different creations, strange quotes, and so on, as you see in these previews. So here you can find millions of these people who are looking for these such beautiful and strange stickers, as you see. And for sure all of them get huge sales. So for example, like this one here, you can find a pack of these strange stickers. It could be some gruesome, some horror stuff, some religious ones, and so on. But people love these such stickers, as you see in this one, in plus 20 in baskets. So here you can create all these stickers if you love this type, and provide them on different platforms, including Etsy, Gumroad, and so on. But here this question comes up: how you can create these such stickers, Riemann? You can find two pathways. The first one, here you can get them ready in different premium websites such as Creative Fabrica, Creative Market, and so on. Here you can search for something like weird stickers, horror stickers, and so on. Then you can find a plethora of these stickers, as you see. And the best part here on Creative Fabrica, it offers you free plan of the first 10 downloads completely for free. Even they are a whole bundle. And the second way here, you can create these such stickers on different websites using AI. And for sure, I just recommend that recraft.ai to create beautiful stickers regarding this weird stuff. So if, for example, you can insert here this prompt I just got from ChatGPT. Then I just select this style, Linocut, and here you can find this amazing pack, as you see. For sure a little bit weird, something like that, some wingy passes, some ghosts, cats on skates, and so on. And for sure you can make a variation in this sticker pack on ChatGPT and create them on recraft.ai completely for free. And for sure, if this first time to hear about this amazing website I just talked about in details, you can find this video down below in the description box and the first comment. Anyway, here you can find two methods to create these such weird stickers. And the second product here, that is regarding haunting paintings, haunting wall arts, and so on. People love this such strange and ghost related stuff. Here you can just offer stickers for haunting, printing, t-shirt designs, and so on. Like this one here, haunting prints. Here you can find tons of these amazing prints people want to purchase to include and print out in wall art, so you can make your own home as a haunting hotel. For sure get huge sales and consistently sales. Likewise, you can create these such weird stuff and these haunting wall art on recraft.ai or any AI image generators like Midjourney, ChatGPT, Gemini in Banana Model, and so on. Or you can get them ready from creativefabrica.com, like this one. And the third weird product here in our today's video, that is zombie gifts. For sure, if you love watching movies like 28 Weeks Later or The Walking Dead TV show and so on, here you can find enormous amounts of people love these such related stuff or products, like this one, as you see, stickers, some t-shirt designs, mugs in its style, as you see. And for sure you can create something related to this niche, like stickers, wall art, checklist, templates, and so on. And this one, for example, this amazing creative digital product that based on request and sending. So here is this one, like a custom zombie portrait. Here you can find this amazing idea. The clients send you a portrait image of this couple, and you can zombify it to this style as you see. And for sure, it's based on a request and a custom result. So for sure, you can offer this amazing creative idea on Etsy.com or in different platforms like freelancing ones like Fiverr, Upwork, or even you can create a dedicated Instagram page to offer these such services. And for sure, you can find tons of people love this style. And the next one, here you can find some courses for a weird purpose like this one, how to write a joke in 7 easy steps, to teach people how they can make a joke to make others laughing and love them. So you can create some master classes or mini courses to help people to solve this problem or uncommon purpose in your perspective. And the next product here, that is animal in weird setting. For sure, here you can find this weird stuff just by making some stickers or pictures of animals in different and strange settings, like in a different body in different situation, some costumes as you see. For sure, many people are loving this such art. And for sure, it's easy for you to create these such images using AI in different platforms. And the next weird product, that is horror mockup. To make your product outstanding, here you can use the horror theme in your mockup, as you see, especially for promoting t-shirt designs, websites, mugs, and so on. Like this one, for example, this horror background theme. Just you can use this mockup to show off your website, your AI tool, application, and so on. Okay. And the next product here in our today's video, Dream Interpretation Journal. Here you can make your journal to make people jot down their dreams, nightmares, and so on with their details, some features, some characteristics, and so on to help them interpret their dreams. But this amazing digital product, highly demanded for many people who are believing in some tarot or struggling some insomnia or nightmares and so on. So dream interpretation journal. So the lesson here from this amazing weird product, you don't need to chase some saturated niches or the common niches and so on. You can go creative in different ways, and for sure, for every single product, you can find many people who want to purchase this product based on your real statistics and research. So you can initiate your journey in digital product selling by going through any common niche or unsaturated one or creative ones, and for sure you can find it an outstanding opportunity to be more exclusive in this area. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.